Hello dear student, today we are going to start chapter number 2, that is linear equation in one variable. See, we have learned linear equation in one variable in class 7 also. So this is an first we have to understand the word equation. An equation is a statement of equality involving one or more unknown variable. It means that an equation is a statement of equality. If there is this is an equation, because we have the equality sign and we have the variable, but here is only one variable. Okay, so the equation is a statement of equality involving one or more unknown variable. This is, we call it equation. Now let's come to this point. Linear equation. A linear equation is an equation involving only linear polynomial where the highest power of the variable is 1. What is linear equation? Linear equation, in case of linear equation, if we say linear equation, in this case the power of the variable should be 1. If the power of the variable is 1, then the algebraic expression, we have to say that is a linear equation. Okay, the expression we have to be said that is a linear equation. So in this case, in the example, we have 3x. Here is constant, this side also, in the right hand side also constant, in the left hand side is variable. The power of the variable is what? The power of variable is 1. So this is, we call it linear equation, where the highest power of the variable is 1. Here in this case, so there are two variable, but two variable, we can say this is a linear equation in two variable, but their powers are 1. That is why they are also linear equation. Okay, so the next point is that linear equation in one variable. What do you mean by linear equation in one variable? This is the name of our chapters. An equation of first degree that is linear involving only one variable is called linear equation in one variable. In the linear equation where only one variable is there, then we will say that there is a linear equation in one variable. It means that the variable x, y, z should be include only one, x or z or y or a, b, c, whoever, whatever the letters that we prescribe as a variable. So in this case, 4x minus 6 equal to 1. Here in this case, we have only one variable. So this is a linear variable in linear equation in one variable. Here in this case, the same variable is there. So in this case also we have only one variable. So we will say this is a linear equation in one variable. See, here the variable x are same. If x and y, if it is there two variable, but two variable but not same letter, then we will say that the linear equation in two variable. Whereas in this case, the variables letters are same, so we can not say that is a two variable. We have to say that is a one variable. Next we have again solution of linear equation. What is the solution of the linear equation? Means the solution of the linear equation, it means that value of the x, what will be the value of the variable, that is a solution. Okay, the solution or root of the equation is a value of the variable which truly satisfied both sides of the statement are equality. It means that the solution or a root of the equation is a value of the variable which truly satisfied both sides of the statement of the equality. It means that here you see the example. If it is here in the right side is 11 and the left side is 4x minus 6, then we have to find out the value of the variable to make equal between left hand side and the right hand side. Then what number you have to be put the value of variable x to get the right hand side. See here, what number you have to multiply by the value, what number we have to put the value of x. We have to see the value of the variable which to make the left hand side and the right hand side, the left hand side and the right hand side should be equality. Okay, so then there are a few rules that we have to find out the solution of the linear equation. The rules for solving the linear equation. There are three methods. One is trial and error method, and the one is systematic method, and the last one is transposing or transposition method. There are three types. Okay, we have learned in the class 7 also. The two sides of the equation are balanced or equal. We have to make the two sides of the equation should be balanced or equal. It means that it should be equal. Okay, if it is equal, then we have to say that the equation that is a equation, means the value of the variable, when we put the value of the variable at that time, then the left hand side and the right hand side will be equal. Understand? To solve the linear equation, there are three types I have mentioned. That is, one is trial and error method, one is systematic method, and one is a transposing method. So let's see, this is a one method. See, the first one, same number can be added to the both sides of the equation without affecting the equalities. Means this is a method of systematic method. Okay, so if you add the number in the both side of the equation, even though it will not affect the equalities, the number that can be subtracted from both sides of the equation without affecting the equality, we can subtract the both numbers. Okay, but we can put a numbers to the both side so that we can subtract, but the equalities of the equation will not affect anything else. We can, both side equation can be multiplied by the same number. It means a number that can be multiplied both sides without affecting the equality. There will be not the equality will be not affect. Same as both sides of the equation can be divided by the another number, same numbers. If it is divided by the same numbers, then the equation will be not affect. Understand? This 1 2 3 4, this is a method of the systematic method. This is the rules for the systematic method. Okay, so we will take the example after discussing the rule also. Let's first discuss about the rules, how to find out, how to solve the linear equation. The second one is a important one, that most of the equation we have solved by the transposition method. Okay, solving the linear equation having the variable on the both side by transposition method. So if there is variable in the both side, then how will you solve the linear equation? We can solve by using the transposition method. Okay, the method of solving involving the transposition or shifting of the variable terms from one side and numerator to the other side. How will you transport the variable and the numerator? See, there are two sides. One is left hand side and one is right hand side. So one side will be in the one side we have to transfer all the variable, and in the another side we have to transfer all the numerals, so that to find out the value of the variables. Okay, so the next one is in this method. In this method, the variable terms are always transferred to the left side and the numeral terms to the right hand side. See, in this transposition method, we usually have done that we always transfer the variable terms to the left hand side and the numerals to the right hand side. And also, we should always remember to change the sign while transposing from the one side to the other. If we are transposing variables or numerals from one side to another side, then basically we have to change the sign. If it is plus, then if you want to transfer the numerator to the another side, the numerator is plus, then it will come minus. If this minus in the right hand side, if you want to transfer the variable to the left hand side, then it will be plus. So the sign changes of the signs should be maintained while transporting from one side to the another. We should remember to change the sign if we are going to transfer a variable from one side to another, or numerator from the one side to another. It is very important. These are the two methods that we have to find out. We have to solve the linear equation. The first one is a systematic method, and the second one is transposing method. Transposing method is basically we use a transposing method to find the value of the variable. In this, by using these two methods, we are going to solve the linear equation. Okay. So I will remind again, there are two methods that today we are going to solve the linear equation. One is the systematic method and another one is a transposing method. By using these two methods, we will now start to solve a few examples to discuss how to solve the linear equation by using the systematic method and by using the transposition method. Now let's discuss the example. In this example, we have to calculate now. Now we are going to start to calculate the linear equation uh, to solve the linear equation first. This example we have to discuss about the rules for solving the linear equation. The first one is the systematic method. We are going to find out the solution by using the systematic method. See, in this case 7x plus 4 is equal to 18. So in the solution we have to find out the value of x. So solution, subtracting 4 from both sides, it means 7x minus plus 4 minus 4 equal to 18 minus 4. Here comes 7x. 4 will be we will cancel. This 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. Now the value of x is equal to 14 minus 14 by 7. The answer is 7. So the value of x is 7. 7 is the answer to make the equality between the left hand side and the right hand side. In the question number 3, we will check the answer also, whether the answer is correct or not. How to check the answer, we will discuss in the question number 3. This is another question again. Let's see. 4 inside the bracket m minus 9 equal to 12. First, we need to multiply the bracket. Here, in this case, in the solution, what we'll do, we have to divide both sides by 4. Okay, do here, dividing both sides by 4. Here comes 4m minus 9 equal to 12 divided by 4. Here also 4. Now you can cancel this and you can cancel this. We get m minus 9 equal to 3. Again, adding 9 to the both side again. In the both sides, if you add both side 9, 3 plus 9, you can cut this. The value of m will be 12. This will the this is the value of m. Okay, see, first what we have to do is we have to divide both sides by 4. If you divide, you come the answer comes m minus 9 equal to 3. Again, you want to eliminate minus 9, so what we have to do, to add plus 9 to eliminate this minus 9. So we eliminate these things and then we add this thing. The answer we get is m equal to, the variable m equal to 12. Next is question number 3. Question number 3, we have to find the variable x by using the same method, the above question number 1 and 2 that we have done. In this same method, we have to calculate this question number 3, and also we have to check the solution whether our value, the value of x is correct or not. See, first look here. 3 4 by x minus 6 by 5 equal to 7 by 10. The next step, what we have to do is, here also in the same thing, we have to eliminate 6 by 5 minus 6 by 5. So in this case what we have to do is we have to plus 6 by 5. So here adding 6 by 5 to both sides. Now what will become? 4 by 3 by 4x minus 6 by 5 plus 6 by 5 is equal to 7 by 10. In the right hand side, so we have to plus 6 by 5. Now this 6 by 5, 6 by 5 can be eliminated. The remaining is 3 by 4x is equal to 7 by 10 plus 6 by 5. Now we have to take the LCM for the right hand side to get the answer. Here comes 3 by 4 will be remain unchanged. Here come, if you take the LCM of this, the LCM is 10. Then 7, this will be 12. The answer will be 19 by 10. Here comes 3 by 4 x. In the right hand side we have 19 by 10. Here again what we have to do is we have to multiply the number by, here in this case we have to multiply again to eliminate the 3 by 4. Okay, so here multiplying both sides by 4 by 3. Here comes 4 by 3 into 3 by 4 x is equal to 19 by 10 into 4 by 3. Now here we can cut this and this, and here also we can eliminate this side also. This will be 2, this will be 5. Here come the value x is equal to 15 by 8, 38. The answer comes 38 by 15. The value of the x is, therefore the value of the x is equal to 38 by 15. This is the value of the x. Now we are going to put the value of x in the left hand side and to find out whether we get the right hand side or not. Right hand side is 7 by 10. Whether we have to get the value that is in the right hand side, that is 7 by 10. After putting the value of x, that is 38 by 15, in the left hand side, we have to get the right hand side, that is 7 by 10. If we get the right hand side, that our answer is correct. If we don't get the right hand side, then our answer is wrong. Okay, let's see. Let's check. Checking. Putting the value of x, that is 38, sorry, value x, that is 38 by 15 to left hand side, to the left hand side. Left hand side is 3 by 4 x minus 6 by 5. This is the left hand side. Now what is the value? 3 by 4 into 38 by 15 minus 6 by 5. Here comes this will, we can cut this will come 5, right? Then 38 by 15, the answer will be, we have discussed the answer. Here comes 38 by 15. Now again we have 38 by 20 minus 6 by 5. Again we can reduce this in the lowest term, that is 19 by 10. To make the calculation easier, we can make the number in the lowest term again. 19 by 10 minus 6 by 5. Let's see. Take the LCM, we got 10. You divide 19 to 12. The answer is 7 by 10. The 7 by 10 is right hand side. We got the right hand side. So the value of the x, that is left hand side, is equal to right hand side. So x equal to 38 by 15 is the solution, is a solution of the is a solution of the given equation. This is a conclusion. We have to write the conclusion in this way, because we got the variable, that is a solution, that is a value of x, that is 38 by 15. Because when we put the value of x in the left hand side, we get the right hand side. So it means that our answer is absolutely correct. Okay, these are the examples for the systematic method that we have already discussed. Okay, this one, the rules, the first rule, that is, if the number can be added to the both sides of the equation without affecting the equality. In the second is, the same number can be subtracted. In the third one, both sides of the equation can be multiplied. In the fourth one, both sides of the equation can be divided. We have discussed these rules. This rule is, we call it the systematic rules. So we have discussed these systematic rules uh, to find out the equation of the given linear equation. Okay, this is a method that we have discussed. So the next method we are going to discuss is the transposition method. Let's see what is the transposition method and how it will be, how we have to find the variable or value of the variable by using the transposition method. Here the second one is the transposing method. By using the transposing method, we have to solve the uh, linear equation. See, in the transposing method, what we have to do is, the variable term are always transposed to the left hand side and the numerator to the right hand side. And we should always remember to change the sign while transposing from one side to other side. We have to remember this. See, we will see the example. Now let's see the transposing method, how it works. For example, this is an example how to find out the linear equation by using the transposing method. Okay, this is a solution. First, what we have to do is, taking -5, this -5 first we have to find out this -5 should be go to the right hand side. Okay, take -5 to right hand side. This is, we are transposing to the right hand side. Then we have 4b plus 2 equal to, if we go to this side, then 2 into -5. This is the cross multiplication. Okay, here comes 4b plus 2 equal to -10. When here look at, when we move -5 to right hand side, it is a division operation. This is a division operation. Okay, change to the multiplication, but not the negative sign, because this is in form of the division. When we want to move to the right hand side, this is denominator to the right hand side, the division operation change to the multiplication, means it change to the multiplication. Okay, the sign we have changed. Okay, if it is here, this is the numerator and denominator, the -5 is in the denominator. So if we change to the, if we move to the right hand side, then this divisional operation change to in form of multiplication, but the negative sign does not come, the positive sign will not come, the positive sign. Okay, so taking 2 to the other side means transporting to the other side, that is to the right hand side. We have 4b equal to -10. If 2 is transferred to the right hand side, what it says, the signs will change, the sign will change, the plus will become minus sign. Then here 4b is equal to minus 1 is plus -12. Then what will be the answer here? What will be the answer? Let's see the answer. Here the variable b is equal to minus 12 by 4. What is the answer? Minus 3. The value of b, variable b, is, the solution of this equation is minus 3. B equal to minus 3. Understand? This is the solution of the given equation. If you check, if you put this variable, the value of value of b, you will get in the left hand side, you will get 2, right? You will get the right hand side if you check. Okay, but let's see in the next, let's see the next question again. The next question is, we have 2 by 3 equal 2 by 3x, sorry, 2 by 3x minus 6 equal to minus 2. Here in this case also we have to take this constant value to the right hand side. 2 by 3x minus 6 equal to minus 2. Now taking minus 6 to right hand side. If you are transporting right hand side, then what will you do? 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 6. Now note, we should change the sign. Change the sign means here is minus 6. If you go to right hand side, the minus sign will be changed. Okay, and again, what will the, then here comes 2 by 3x is equal to, here comes 4. Here again, what will the value of x? Now again, therefore the value of x equal to 4 divided by 2 by 3. Then 4, this will be reciprocal. If you change the reciprocal, you will get 2 by 3 by 2. You can reduce the lowest sum. This is 2. Then the value of x is equal to 6. This is the, here also you can say that the value of the x is equal to 6. The next question is also same with question number Roman number 1. So let's discuss. First, take the value, take the 13 to the right hand side. Now same thing here also, we have to change the denominator. Here is this is in form of the division form. So this 13 is in the numerator, in the denominator. So if you transfer this denominator to the right hand side, then this will become, the operation sign will become what? Multiplication. And the sign plus will not change. Plus will not change into the negative sign. Understand? Here comes 3a plus 8 is equal to 2 into 13. Here comes 3a plus 8 is equal to 36. Now again, 3a is equal to 36 minus 8. Minus 8, taking minus 8 to right hand side. Sign will change. Sign will change. Means here is plus. If you go to this side, the sign will become minus. Then here comes 3a is equal to 18. So therefore the value of a equal to 18 minus 18 by 3 is equal to 6. So a equal to 6. Now the value of the equation, the solution of this equation is a equal to 6. A equal to 6 is the solution of the equation. Understand? This is a last example for the transposing method. Okay, solution: x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 15. Now x by 3 equal to, you transfer plus 1 to the right hand side, it will become minus 1. Then take plus 1 to the right hand side, what will do? The sign change. Sign will change. Here is the minus 1. Then 3 by sorry, x by 3 is equal to, if you have to take the LCM, 7 minus 15. X by 3 equal to, what is the value of minus 7 minus 7 sorry, 7 minus 15, that is 8 by 15. Now to solve this type of to find out the equation, we can use the systematic method also. Here, multiplying both sides by 3, x into 3, 3 minus 18, 15 into 3. Here comes, you can eliminate x, 3, 3. Now the answer is x. Then you can take this also, 3 by 3 divided by 15 is 5, minus 8 by 5 will be the value of x. Therefore x equal to minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5 will be the value of this equation. Okay, so while when we calculate the transposing method, sometimes we can use the systematic method also. Both systematic method and transposing method can be used to together to find out the equation of the solution. To find out the equation. Both transposing method and the systematic method we can use together. Use both method together to find out the systematic method and the transposing systematic method and the transposing method can be used to find out the solution of the equation. Now this is the two methods that we have discussed to solve the solution of the linear equation. These are the two main method to find out the linear equation solution of the linear equation. So by using this method, we can apply again in some application question. Okay, let's discuss 1, 2, 3 applications by using this transposing method and the systematic method. Here is the application question. So the application question, we are going to use the method that we have done in the previous. Both method we can apply here, and we can solve this application problem. Okay, see, the sum of two number is 50. If one number is smaller than the other by 6, find the two number. It means that there are two numbers. We have to find out the two numbers. The another one is we can take another, the one is x. Okay, if one number is smaller than the other by 6, it means that one number means x minus 6. If you plus these two, if you add these two, the answer you will get 50. First, here in this type of question, what we have to do is, first we have to find out the equation. To find out from the statement, we have to find out the equation. In such type of question, what we have to do is that we have to convert the language of the word problem into simple mathematical statement again. Means in the equation form. We have to form the equation using the condition given in the problem, and then we have to solve the equation to find the value of the unknown measures. Okay, so this is the answer. So we have to find out, we have to write the here solution equal to, let x be the one of the and x minus 6 be the other numbers. From the above question, we we get x plus x minus 6 equal to how much? 50. This is the equation. We are forming now the equation to find the answer. This is the equation. Okay, so here comes, after getting the equation, we have to find the value of the x. X plus x minus 6 equal to 50. Now 2x, x plus x equal to 2x. Now this 50, this 6 will be go to the right hand side, the sign will be 6. Now here take minus 6 to right hand side, sign change. Now come 2x is equal to 56. We want to find out the value of the x equal to 56 by 2 is, your answer is 2, 8. The value of the x is how much? The value of the x is 28. Then we have, then x is equal to, one of the number is 28 and the other number equal to 28 minus 6. How much? 28 minus 6 is 22. So if you want to see the answer, that means that if you plus two number means x and x minus 6, you got 50. Then what is the value of x? 28. What is the value of x, other number, x minus 6? 22. 50. Your answer is correct. Okay, now your answer is correct. Did you get my point? If you want to check also, you can check very easily. The one of the number is x, value of the x is 28 and the other number is x minus 6. X minus 6, x is 28. If you minus 6, your answer is 22. Then if you add the sum of two number is 50, then if you add 28 plus 22, your answer is 50. Then your answer is correct. According to this question, we have concluded that our answer is correct because we got the sum of the two number 50. Understand? This is the second example. The angle of a triangle are in the ratio of 2:3, 2:3 and 3:4. Find their measures. These are the triangles. One triangle is there. Their ratio is 2:3, 3:4. And we have to find out all the measure of this triangle. So, answer. Let one angle be 2x. We have to consider the 2x. Okay. The other two angle will be 3x and 4x. So if you want to find out the measure of angles of the triangle, then the sum of all the angles of the triangle is equal to how much? 180 degrees. We have to recall that formula also. We know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So here is 2x, here is 3x, here is 4x. We have to assume. Then 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So how many? 2, 6, 5, 9. The answer come, this will come 9x. 180 degrees. This we form an equation here. We form the equation. So here what we have to do is that we have to find out the value of x. Now we have to find out the value of x. 9, 20. The value of x is 20. Then we can find out the value. We can find out the A, B, C, angle A, angle B, and angle C. Now here, then thus 2x is equal to 2 into 20. 20 degrees, that is 40 degrees. The next one is 3x. 3x equal to 2 into 20, that is 60 degree. And another one is 4x. 4 into 20 is 80 degree. Now these are the three angles are 40, now 60 and 80. These are the three angles. So if you want to check, now we can check whether we get all the numbers is equal to 80 or not, 180 or not. 60 is, this one is 100. If you 100 plus 80 is equal to what? 180. So that we have the correct answer. These are the value of these are the angle A, B, C, 40, 60, 80. Then we have the correct. If you plus this all angle, we will get a 190. Then we will say that our answer is totally correct. These are the two examples according to the transposition method. Okay, these are the two examples. We have calculated we have solved we have solved the linear equation to find out the variable also. And now this is a application for the application what problem for the linear equation we find by using the transposition method, transposition plus and the systematic method. We can calculate both method in this application what problem we can solve by using the transposition and the systematic method together in such type of question also. Application of the linear equation. This is a what problem. In this what problem also we can use both method, both techniques, both rules. We can apply, we can find out the variable of the given unknown quantities. Understand? So dear student, today we have started lesson number 2, that is linear equation in one variable, and we have completed one part of this chapter. So in the next next week in the next week we will start the second part, and we will try to conclude these chapters into 3 parts. Okay, this is the first part, and in the next week we may conclude the second part, and next week we can conclude the third part. So dear student, please watch the YouTube channel for the lesson number 2 and learn something from this explanation. And I have given a lot of example also for you. Okay, thank you. See you again in the next second part.